I was standing here in this location last year. I was standing in front of ChemAxon at the user group meeting in Boston. So thank you again for the opportunity to present. Really just talking a little bit about our strategic partnership with ChemAxon. We've had ChemAxon tools deployed in IDBS Workbook technology for probably about 10 years now, even in our previous desktop incarnation. And then about 3 years ago, we started the project to actually move all of our desktop technology to the web. And at that point in time, we were deciding what should we do with our technology, why should we change it, and actually we wanted something web-based, something that looked really good and something that was really well respected in the marketplace, and ChemAxon was the default partner to go with for that. So where do we start? Where all good things start, do something simple. So we started with Marvin.js. So as we went ahead and built our technology, we worked together with people in the forums. We held chemistry forums on a regular basis. And we actually used that input and that guidance to help actually the design of the product and also the functions and features from there. Again, thank you to ChemAxon for supporting us at those events, because I think they were probably mutually beneficial to both companies. So what you can see here, this is our stoichiometry module. We have Marvin.js integrated as the default drawing tool for these. And then you have the stoichiometry capabilities with integrations to other systems like registration, etc. So if we click on the edit button, you can see we go full screen into Marvin.js. We also have integrations to other standard third-party drawing tools, because chemists are creatures of habit. They want the ability to work with ChemDraw and BioViewDraw, for example. And of course, on the right-hand side here, you can also see I've got integration to compliance checking. So that enables us to then check and see if we've got any compounds at risk. And of course, once you synthesize your molecule, the obvious thing is you want to be able to register it. So of course, we register directly to the ChemAxon registration system. And we also now have the capability of working with OAuth, which means there's no single sign-on, there's no dialogues, we just pass an authentication token, and it works perfectly. And of course, we provide users with a hyperlink. So from here, they can then click on the hyperlink and go directly into the ChemAxon record if they want to then edit it or look at any further pieces of information. Of course, this combined searching, so mixing up chemistry data with other ELN attributes and biology data to display those in a tabular view. So that's the chemistry side of things. Just really briefly talking a little bit more about biologics. We saw the presentation this morning on BioEddy. So what we did was we basically extended this collaboration and we went in the biologic space as well. So what we have here is a plasmid sequence renderer, which can work with linear or cyclic sequences. But of course, all the good features that we saw of BioEddy earlier on are immediately available within eWorkbook directly. And of course, within here as well, we also then built a bioregistration interface as well. And this is where I'm very interested to understand a little bit more about the perception engine technology that was discussed this morning and how we could then progress with those together. So that's all I have to say. If you want to catch up with me, I'll be available after this meeting.